How to create Wise account in mobile. Go to Wise app, click on register or sign up, enter your email address, choose your account type. It could be personal or business. You'll be prompted to enter your personal details. Wise, as a financial institution, needs to verify your identity. This usually involves uploading photos of your ID and possibly a selfie. Accepted IDs for Filipinos often include PhilSys, passport, driving license, and UMID. If you are not a Filipino national, you can typically use your foreign passport. Once your account is verified, you can open a currency balance. This allows you to hold and receive money in different currencies. To get local account details for receiving money, you'll usually need to make a small initial top-up, for example, around 700 pesos or its equivalent in another currency. You can top up your Wise account using a bank-issued credit or debit card. Wise is also working on adding more local funding methods in the Philippines, like bank transfers and e-wallets.